How to send international wire transfer in Bank of America. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how to transfer money overseas with the Bank of America, or how to do the international wire transfer. So this tutorial will walk you through the steps involved in making international money transfers using the Bank of America services. With Bank of America's global presence, customers can now conveniently send money abroad through wire transfers. This feature is easily accessible on their online banking platform, enabling transfers to over 200 countries in various currencies. So here is a detailed guide on how to carry out the international money transfer with the Bank of America. Before you begin, make sure that you have the correct recipient's bank information and start by logging into the Bank of America online banking on their website, which is www.bankofamerica.com. Go to the Send Money to Someone section in the Transfers menu and choose the option for using the recipient's account number at another bank, and follow the instructions provided. Typically, international transfers are credited to the recipient's account within 1 to 2 business days, and transfers initiated before 5 p.m. Eastern Time can be processed in both foreign currencies and US dollars. Sending money in foreign currencies incurs no outbound wire transfer fee if the recipient's account is in their local currency. You also have the choice to transfer funds in that specific currency. So that wraps up our tutorial on how to send money internationally with the Bank of America. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.